Hi, it's Matt from Hendrick Acura Southpoint. Today I want to talk about how you can keep your Acura an Acura. Just like generic cornflakes don't quite taste as good as the original ones, generic parts for your Acura don't quite fit and work as well as the original factory equipment. At Hendrick Acura Southpoint, we use original Acura fluids for your vehicle. They were engineered by Acura to fit your vehicle and make it perform exactly the way it should. When it's time for a new battery, we also have a full line of batteries to fit your Acura. We also carry a full line of tires. These are the same original equipment tires that came with your Acura. These have been tested by Acura to fit your vehicle. We keep pretty much everything in stock or can get it within a day. Maybe there's an accessory that you didn't get with your vehicle when it was new that you'd like to get now. Here in our parts center, you can come see one of our parts professionals. They have things like remote starts, different wheels, carpeted floor mats, all-weather floor mats, and they're all made by Acura. We've got covers for your key fobs and some gift items. We've got hats, we've got t-shirts, we've even got some travel mugs for your vehicle. It's also important that we use technicians who have been trained by Acura and have years and years of experience working on just Acura vehicles. Our service advisors have a combined 45 years of experience with Acura. With that, they can give you the best advice on how to maintain your Acura and keep it an Acura. Thanks again for choosing Hendrick Acura of Southpoint. We hope to see you soon.